Yeah, your classic Montana honky-tonk. Stoneville Saloon, cheap drinks, lousy food, my kind of place. Montana is amazing, and I know why they call it Big Sky Country. I'm on my way to Devil's Tower, and I will see you on the trail. There it is, the Devil's Tower. This is our first look at it, and it looks wild. Prairie dogs. Everybody likes prairie dogs. Well, except maybe ranchers, but mostly everybody does. I thought they were only in the Badlands, but no, they're in Wyoming too. Just getting rolling, and I'm showing you a look at Devil's Tower from the bottom, and it reminds me a little bit of Devil's Post Pile in near Mammoth in California, and it's cool. About 40 or 50 million years ago, molten lava came out of the ground and formed and then hardened, and it was then buried about 1,000 to 1,500 feet, and it took over 1 million years, erosion, wind, rain, and everything else, to expose the tower. These big boulders are probably, 5-10 tons a piece. So yeah, this is a great look at the tower, and you can see the boulder field. When this thing formed, it cooled, and there were stress points, and over time those stress points turned into columns, and over much more time those columns cracked and broke off. Those are in six-sided columns, which is nature's natural way of stability. That is the strongest geometric form there is, and that's why this thing has been up here for millions of years and will be here for a while. I wanted to show you this forested area that surrounds the tower. These are all ponderosa pines, and ponderosa pines are in Lake Tahoe, but these are all ponderosa pines. And Lake Tahoe, there's a mixture of Douglas fir and other evergreens, but these are all ponderosa pines, and they are beautiful. Some are really big. They can be hundreds of years old. This whole area that's surrounding the Devil's Tower is beautiful. I mean, I'm gonna take you around, and again, this is Wyoming, and everybody got their share of rain this year, so you can see it's pretty green everywhere. It sure is pretty to see the end result, and Mother Nature gives us something to look at every single time. Yeah, we're on our way back, and don't you just love this red clay? I do. I will see you down the road. Just got off the trail, Devil's Tower in Wyoming. We started by going around Devil's Tower, and then we took the Red Beds Trail. It was about 4.5 miles. Took us about 3 hours. It is America's first national monument, and now I know why. It's 867 feet tall. It was a great hike. This place is awesome. If you ever get in Devil's Tower, Wyoming, or anywhere near it, check this place out. You will not be disappointed. I will see you next time on the trail.